Hello, in this video I will show you how you can edit lock screen clock style on Redmi 15C. So first of all, open the settings. Now go to personalization and lock style. Here click on customize on your lock screen and tap on the clock. Now you are able to change the font, change informations on the clock, and also you can change other things, like you can add the date or add the month. So you can do it from here. Also you can tap on font effects and change color of your clock by using these sliders. When it's done, just simply click apply in the top right corner and click only for lock screen, and basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.